Microplastics in Indian soil. Unveiling the hidden health hazards. Welcome to DRS Research. In the heart of India, a silent invader is emerging from the soil. Microplastics, tiny but mighty, affecting human health. These minuscule particles are not just littering our land but entering our bodies, leading to serious health issues. From disrupting our digestion to causing respiratory problems, the impact is profound and multifaceted. Beyond physical ailments, microplastics carry toxic substances, becoming a Trojan horse for harmful chemicals. They also wreak havoc on our gut microbiota, the cornerstone of our immune system. Alarmingly, the long-term exposure raises concerns about potential carcinogenic effects, linking to diseases like cancer, respiratory conditions, and gastrointestinal disorders. The narrative is clear: the invasion of microplastics in our soil is a ticking time bomb for public health in India. As we stand at this crossroads, understanding and action against microplastics could be the key to safeguarding our future health. In India, the presence of microplastics in soil can pose several health risks to humans. Firstly, when microplastics contaminate agricultural soils, there is a possibility of these particles being taken up by plants. If consumed by humans, either directly through consumption of contaminated crops or indirectly through the consumption of animals fed on contaminated fodder, there is a risk of exposure to microplastics. This could potentially lead to adverse health effects, although the specific mechanisms and extent of these effects are still being studied. The presence of microplastics in soil can have several potential health impacts on humans. These impacts can occur through various pathways, including direct ingestion, inhalation, and dermal contact with contaminated soil. Some of the potential health issues associated with microplastics in soil includes: Number 1. Ingestion and digestive issues. When microplastics are present in soil, there is a risk of them being ingested by humans through the consumption of contaminated food grown in that soil. Once ingested, these particles can accumulate in the digestive system and potentially lead to inflammation or other digestive issues. Number 2. Respiratory problems. Inhalation of airborne microplastics from contaminated soil can pose a risk to respiratory health. The inhalation of these particles may contribute to respiratory problems such as irritation, inflammation, or exacerbation of existing respiratory conditions. Number 3. Toxicological effects. Microplastics have the potential to adsorb and accumulate toxic chemicals from the environment. When present in soil, they can act as carriers for various pollutants and agrochemicals, which may then be released within the human body upon ingestion or inhalation. Number 4. Disruption of gut microbiota. There is emerging research suggesting that microplastics may disrupt the balance of gut microbiota, which plays a crucial role in human health. This disruption can have implications for overall well-being and may contribute to various health issues. Number 5. Potential carcinogenic effects. While more research is needed, our study suggests that certain types of microplastics may have carcinogenic properties, raising concerns about their potential long-term impact on human health when present in soil. The presence of microplastics may increase cancer and Alzheimer's. Furthermore, the alveolation surface of the human lung is around 150 square meters, and its tissue barrier is extremely thin, less than 1 micrometer, which means that nanoparticles might enter the bloodstream and go to every organ in the body. The presence of microplastics in soil also impact soil microbial communities and biogeochemical processes. Soil microorganisms play a crucial role in nutrient cycling and maintaining soil fertility. Disruption of processes due to microplastics have direct consequences for human health through impacts on food security and nutrition. Exposure to microplastics associated with respiratory issues, reproductive disorders, immune system dysregulation. However, the direct causative link between microplastic exposure from soil and critical illnesses in humans is not yet fully established, requires further scientific inquiry because a lot of things and lives are on the line. So take care, live a happy and healthy life. Protect the soil and the earth. Thank you very much.